Hi, this is Shakti. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can optimize your WordPress database using a plugin. Log into your WordPress admin dashboard, go to the plugins section, click on the add new plugin. On the search column, search for WP Optimize, WP space Optimize. I'm going to use this WP Optimize plugin, which was developed by the same developer as Updraft Backup plugin. Click on install now and activate the plugin. Now the plugin has been activated. If you scroll down, you can see the plugin on the bottom of the plugin page. Here WP Optimize. I'm not going to change any settings, so I'm going to leave the settings by default. I'm going to click on the Optimize option here. It will take us to the optimization page. Here you can find all the options for optimizing the WordPress database. Please make sure you have a solid backup before doing any changes with this plugin. These are all the options you have for optimizing your database. At first you can see it will optimize all the database table, and we have post revisions cleanup, we have auto drafts cleanup, trash cleanup, spam removal, and unapproved comments cleanup. We also have some unchecked options here. If you want, you can check on that. After selecting the options needed, click on the button Run All Selected Options. The plugin will now run its optimization process. One by one, all the selected optimization process gets completed, but the first option, Optimize Database Table, it will take some time. It depends upon the database size. I'm going to fast forward the optimization process. As you can see, now all the selected optimization task has been completed. We also have the option to individually run optimization on any specific task using the buttons on the right hand side. This plugin also comes with scheduling option. You can find that on the settings page. Click on the enable schedule option. You can find a drop down list of daily, weekly, monthly scheduling options. You can also use the checkbox to select the options needed. I personally don't recommend using this scheduling option for the database optimization. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.